I would like to show you how to use Google Custom Search to create a custom search engine for your students. This can be very useful when your students are researching for a project and you want to make sure that they are using reliable internet sources. One of the biggest things that students have problems with is evaluating websites and knowing if they are relevant and up to date or if they have incorrect information on them. Students should be learning how to evaluate websites, but this is a great way to get them sort of on the right track as far as knowing what a reliable website might look like. So the first thing you're going to do is go to cse.google.com. CSE stands for Custom Search Engine. And in here, once you log into Google, you'll see your website will look like this. And I have one custom search that I did create, and that custom search was set up, and you can see some of the options. You give it a name, you can give it a description, and any keywords that people searching for custom search engines can find it. You get your details as far as a public URL. You can do image search, speech input, language, and then you add your sites to search. Once you create your custom search engine, you can use this site to sort of refine how those websites are worked. So I'm going to show you how to create a new custom search engine. And what you're going to do is you can either click add here or new search engine, either one, and you're going to get your sort of form to fill everything out. The first thing you're going to do is put in your sites to search. So I have decided I'm going to create a custom search engine for students to use while they are researching facts about different states. So I have a list of websites here that I've gone through that I think would be best for my students to use, and all I'm going to do is copy and paste them in. And as you add these websites, it'll automatically give you another line for each one. So I'm going to go through and just quickly add each website to a custom search. And then when this is done, you are going to select your language. You're going to name your custom search engine. So I'm going to put United States. And there are some advanced options that I'm not 100% familiar with, but there are a few there. And then all you have to do is click create. Your custom search engine is creative, but that doesn't mean it's completely the way you need it to be. So once it's done, you can get your public URL. My public URL is right up here. You click on it, you get your website. You can search for whatever you're looking for, and you'll get results. You'll see that I did add 6 websites and only 4 are coming up. But it is a little bit easier for the kids instead of going to, if you go to Google and you put in, say they're searching Kansas, enter, they've gotten 390 million results. Well, that's a lot for one student to look through, and you're going to see there's a lot of other stuff in here as far as news articles, and we're looking just for facts. And this can be quite confusing for students. So it kind of refines those results and gives them a little bit more of a manageable amount of information to sort through. Once you've done your custom search and you have that public URL, you can actually go back to that clicking on custom search, or you can go to edit search engine and select the one you're looking for. And in here, you'll see you have your description. You can add a description. You can add your search engine keywords. You have your details, your ID, your public URL or code. You can add image search if you choose. Speech input, so students can speak and then it would type it for them. And you have your website. The other thing is here that you can refine a little bit is you could actually click on each website and you're going to get information. So here we have include all pages whose address contains this URL, include just the specific page or URL pattern I have entered, dynamically extract links from this page and include them in my search engine. So you can click any of these, whatever you think is best for yours. for your search engine and customize that to what you need. You can also label items if you need to. Once that's done, your search engine is complete and you can go on to using it with your students. There are a few other options. These are mostly for if you're paying for Google's for the site search edition. This is the free edition, and the free edition I think really just meets whatever needs I have for it, and it's a great resource to use for your kids. If you have any questions, just